So this is one of the pop-up cards that I've prepared. So you can see it's a cute little heart there. Then we've got the 1 tier, and then the 2 tier. Yeah, that's the right way. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make these really cute pop-up cards. We've got a couple of different styles and we're going to be doing one particular for Father's Day. Okay, so we're going to be doing 2 different types of designs. We're going to start off with a really simple one. We're going to use some red paper. You're just going to cut it into a small piece like this and then fold it in half. And then you can just draw half of a love heart. And then we're going to mark about here, and that's where we're going to stop cutting. So now it's cut. What you want to do is push it through and just fold it. And again like that. So you can see the heart is in there. So now I've just got this blue piece of paper. We're going to fold this one in half. And then open it up. Join this one in the middle. So with the same folded line here, you want to match it with your folded line inside the card. And then it's a lot easier if you just get your glue stick and glue one side at a time. Once it's glued down, you then have your pop-up card. So this one is a little bit more tricky. This one does involve some measurements, but what we're going to do, I've already dotted some lines here. We're going to go in about 4 centimeters on one side and the other side. And then just line it up. Okay, now we're going to go about 2.5. I've marked 2, but we're going to go about 2.5. Oh, nope, there. Line them up. Okay, now you're going to cut just this line here. No further than that. Now we'll open it and we're going to pop that forward. This can get really fiddly. You fold it along there. Now for this part, you only want to cut this piece, not both of them, so just this piece there. And that's the same along that line. And then do the same thing, pop that one out. So we fold this section out, okay. Bring it in, and there's the pop-up. So, okay, so we folded this one up. I've got a green piece of A3 paper. Remember that you can use whatever color you like. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the other card, just doing one side at a time. So we've done the same thing on the other side. And there's our 2-tier pop-up. So now that we've done both the pop-up cards, you can get your children to decorate it any way you like. Which one do you want to decorate? You pick one. Do you want the love heart or the two-tier? This one, the big one, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.